All right, guys, March 3rd, we're in Midtown Atlanta. We're about to do a high-rise condo screen and recoat. I went and did, there she is. I went and did a consultation here in Alpharetta this morning, and he booked for Monday. So let me show you guys what we're going to be doing. All right, so we're in Midtown. Guys, these are the floors that we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a screen and recoat, satin finish. Has a lot of micro scratches everywhere. That's the main reason they're getting this done. They also have some scratches over here they tried to fill, but these floors, see right here, guys? See all these scratches? I just got a lead. Someone referred me. Thank you for the referral. She said someone referred us to her, and she's in Swanee, and she wants to get her floors done. They're putting the house on the market, which is going to be a lot of that this year. And also, I just got a review from the job we did Saturday in East Atlanta. The wife left us a great review on Google, also with pictures as well. So this is the high rise that we're doing. I sent T back to the truck. See right there, guys? See all those little micro scratches? That's a good indication that you need a good screen and recoat and you don't have to sand the floors. Again, the screen and recoat does not change the color, so the color of this floor is stained, probably a dark walnut, and it's gonna be the same color. The floors are just gonna look better. All right, guys, so again, I love doing these condos. Sometimes they can be a pain, but this is pretty easy to get in. So again, we are in Midtown. And I definitely want to start doing more of these high-rise and condos. I have worked in that building right there. You see all these Atlanta, everything is just going up. I've actually worked in this building right here. Over there, what's that one? Four Seasons. I worked in the Four Seasons before. So yeah, guys, this is Midtown Atlanta. You would think it would be a little bit more busier, but a lot of people at work. 4 or 5 o'clock, we'll be seeing something totally different. All right, guys, let me get here and get started. Stay tuned.
Heart of the city, light shining bright. Truman on the job floors, coming back to life. One day system, yeah, we do it right. UV cure shining in the Midtown light. Heart of the city, 8th floor view. Clear and found Truman when they didn't know what to do. Screen and record, satin coming through. Now they moving in like the floor is brand new. Midtown Atlanta, skyline in the glass. High ride living. 8th floor looking past. Plan tried fixing it, things went wrong. Google search later, Truman came strong. Walk through the door, see the floor story. Marks and the scratches, lost its glory. But one day system, we changing the scene. UV technology making everything clean. Screen it down smooth, later satin coat. Recoat shining while the city lights glow. Midtown nights, Atlanta moving fast, but Truman bring the floors right back. Heart of the city, light shining bright. Truman on the job floors, coming back to life. One day system, yeah, we do it right. UV cure shining in the Midtown lights. Heart of the city, 8th floor view. Clean found Truman when they didn't know what to do. Screen and recall, satin coming through. Now they moving in like the floor is brand new.
All right, guys, that is gonna do it. These floors came out amazing. Look at that, look at that. That Recoat looks beautiful on this floor, satin finish. Like I said, the floor is probably the original floor. Had a little gash right there. Over here, Those are like burn spots. Maybe, I don't know if something was sitting there, but those are definitely burn spots. We'll have to replace the boards for those. Over here, these scratches do look better. The polyurethane did a great job filling a lot of these scratches in that they tried to fix. So you can from over here, if I come this way, you can't even see them, all right? Kind of got to stand over them, all right? But that is a huge improvement. And like I say, man, a lot of times you don't want to try to do color correction because it'll make it worse. So let the poly do its job, and it'll fill it in and disguise micro scratches. So even sometimes deep scratches, depending on the wood, especially if it's natural, because natural floors are not stained. But overall, guys, floors look amazing. So we are done. We'll be back at it tomorrow. One consultation and one small project just like this, also in Atlanta, but it's a home. And yeah. All right, guys. Also, too, I booked someone trying to do some severe filling right there. And like I said, when you're working with these thin engineered floors, sometimes it's just best to leave it alone, because sometimes you try to do certain things, and I'm speaking from experience, it'll actually make it worse. But actually I booked a sanding job that my guy Aaron, who was with me yesterday, lady actually called yesterday. She paid for the in-home consultation today, and it's almost 2,000 square feet pine floor. Floors can be sanded, and she wants to get it fully sanded and UV cured. So I'll probably be doing the UV cure probably on Tuesday, because Aaron said that job is going to take him about 5 to 6 days to sand that floor. So like I said, guys, sanding is a totally different beast, totally different process. And that job right there, we're charging her $7 a square foot with screen and recoat. Is probably, depending on if you get the UV, can be anywhere from $250 to $350 a square foot. So that's a huge difference. All right, guys, thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.